Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So really quickly before I start this video, I just want to let you know that I am back posting more videos. So for today's video it's going to be a bit different. As you guys know already, I've been posting lots of smart money videos, strategy videos, teaching you guys how to do stuff on the charts. Well, I want to take a new approach to this channel as well. I want to mix it up a little bit. So today's going to be a short video, but today's video is a question that people have been asking me for a very long time. So the question is, do you need a proper PC setup, gaming setup, whatever it is, to actually succeed in trading? Or like, does it actually help you? Is it an advantage? And here is my answer. Well, before I even start letting you know guys what I personally think, I'm going to show you guys my setup right here. So as you can see, very basic, very simple. The setup doesn't have to cost thousands of dollars. Now there's one thing here that I personally believe that could really bring your trading from 100 to 150%, okay? And it's this right here. So I'm going to speak about that in a little while. Now here's the thing. Does a PC setup like this help you compared to, for example, trading on your phone or trading on a laptop? I personally think it does. Why? Because if you take a look at it from this perspective, us as traders, when we get into this, I'm not going to call it hobby, it's not a hobby for sure, when we get into this way of life, okay, Forex is a way of life. To be honest, Forex isn't really a job. It's not something that we just do for a few hours like a 9-to-5 job. We do for a few hours, we don't like, and we leave. This is constant. This is 24/7. It's on your mind 24/7. It's a way of life. When you start trading Forex, for example, at the beginning, you join a mentorship group, whatever it is, slowly these people are influencing you. Not only are you changing your job, which is trading Forex, trading financial markets, you're also being impacted emotionally. You're being impacted, you're growing your mentality, you know. You're seeing a lot of people come and become much healthier people. They're changing their personalities, they're changing their characteristics, and they're just developing constantly. You know, they listen to motivational talks, they listen to all these mentality strengthening podcasts, etc. So in general, us Forex traders, this is a way of life for us. So it's not just a job for us, and we like Forex, right? So what I'm trying to get at here is, when you have an environment or an atmosphere that you personally enjoy, when you have an environment and an atmosphere that is aesthetically nice as well, such as this. I mean, this is not the nicest out there, but I personally like it myself. You know, it's simple, there's a couple of lights there, etc. I even have what you call these things that let out a bit of smoke, yeah, them humidifiers, or the air mist, like you put in the oils. Very good for you when you're meditating, etc. So I personally believe that, bar the screen sizes, which I'm going to talk about in a second, I think that having a good setup somewhere that you like, it will just put you in the mood of wanting to trade. You know, you get up in the morning, you want to start your trading, you want to have somewhere where you just enjoy sitting, somewhere comfortable. Should have a nice chair. This is not even that expensive, but it is nice, it is comfortable, I like it. And you should just have something that's nice, you know, to look at and to just use and trade with. Trading on a laptop or a phone, it's not that comfortable, it's not even that exciting. This setup alone excites me because I just want to sit on this and trade, and it just really does change my mood. And I know, because I used to personally trade as well from a normal laptop and just a bad table, and it's really different, okay? Now here's the thing, do you need to trade, or do you need a PC setup like this? No, you don't. Is it nice to have? Should you? I think you should, and I think it's very nice to have. On a phone, I really would not recommend trading on a phone, at least a laptop. Now here is the thing that I want to show you guys about this monitor. So I want to bring you guys here closer. Okay, so this is my 34-inch electric ultra-wide curved monitor. So you can see it's curved from the top. Alright, now this is why I love this screen, and I believe that it really did take my trading to the next level. Why? Because look at this screen, right? Let me take my headset off right here. It's ultra wide. So the thing about ultra wide screens are, you can see so much more price action on a screen like this compared to a small screen like this. You can see the difference in size. And I mean, a lot of people would think 34 inches is huge, but realistically with ultra wide screens, they're kind of different. They're kind of different from normal TVs because they're more longer, okay, than in height. Okay, so you can see how much price action I'm able to see, and this is brilliant for backtesting and even making Zoom calls in general. I think people kind of find it much more helpful. See how much I can see instead of actually trying to, let me show you for example, this is the amount of price action I would see on this screen, okay, compared to this. This is why I believe an ultra wide screen is amazing. So this is one of the things that I really would recommend you guys to get. Okay, and then everything else here, obviously, as you can see, my mic, my mouse. So you can see this is all some cheap stuff. It's not really that expensive at all. You don't need expensive stuff. Now personally, obviously I could have gotten a 49-inch or a 4K inch screen, etc. You don't need it. The only reason I actually upgraded this monitor and I didn't stick with my old setup, because I'm pretty sure you guys remember my old setup with the three monitors, I just thought that this was personally cleaner, and I just like the idea of the curve, the concept, right? So even if you're a gamer or anything, I think it's very useful. But in general, for trading, it is a game changer, because you can just see so much more price action, and your back testing is great. And obviously the last thing here is my PC. I'm not even going to show you guys the cable management because it's sick. It's really bad. But yeah, just a simple PC right here. It actually does have some nice specs, so that's pretty much it. So to actually end this video off, guys, do you need a good gaming setup? Do you need a good PC setup? Once again, no, it is not needed, but it's really nice to have. First of all, you get bigger screen, much easier to backtest on, etc. And I also do recommend at least having 2 to 3 screens, because the good thing about it is you can actually trade, for example, one of these, maybe have your MT4 set up on one of these, and then maybe you can like have your trading view set up on this screen right here. So I do believe that having at least 1 to 2, not even 2 to 3 screens, I don't really think that one is that good. I personally couldn't get work done on just one screen, so 2 to 3 screens. But if you are limited, if you are on a budget and you really can't, just get one laptop, whatever it is, and just trade on it. But when you can upgrade, do. It really does help. So anyways, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Some short video just to show you guys my setup and what I personally think about PC setups. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.